let me set that aside. And now we have the controller. The Z controller. The controller has a lot of stickers, but I've watched so many unboxing that I have a fear I have a good enough knowledge of how to open it and what goes where. Alright. So these are the antennas. It's recommended that you pull them out and flatten them, then put them upright so that the surface area will be large enough to capture the signals. I'm wondering if I turned it wrong. I'm not going to force it. That's how it comes up, and that's how I'm going to leave it. Then you pull out these. This is where the phone will go. And they said that inside here you will find the two sticks that you will screw into the top right here, so you can the drone. So that's what the inside looks like, and that's pretty cool. That's nice. Looks like they have some speakers in the back here. Alright, we'll get to that. So that's the controller. This is what we've been waiting for. This is the PJA Star-ship. The PJA Star-ship, and whoa. So this is my Star-ship. Alright, this is my Star-ship right here. Damn. Yo. Already, I'm ready. So let's examine the Star-ship a little bit. So these are, so this right here, I think I'm going to call this right here. Let me take off the look at that. So this right here, I think I'm going to call it my bridge. This is my bridge right here where the captain sits and observe what's going on while we travel interstellar space. Alright, so wouldn't it be cool if I could put some eyes right here? I think I might do that for another video. Just make some eyes and put them right there. Here, so once again, I know I'm calling it different names, but this is the DJI Mavic Mini. Alright. I think this one will do me for now. It's my first drone, and I am excited about it. Should take me a few to learn how to fly it though. And so this is where the SD card goes, or I should say this is where the artificial intelligence goes. My AI, you insert my AI into that little slot right there, and then that's the another power connector, and this is the shuttle bay. Let me open the shuttle bay so you can see what's up. Alright, so this is the shuttle bay. So this is when I have my smaller spacecraft. Hopefully you can see that. Let me see. Alright, so this is my smaller spacecraft that I will fly into the shuttle bay. Set it right there. So that's my shuttle bay. Or it is my fusion reactor where I'll put the dilithium. Right, correctly line up the dilithium, and so we have this at the top, the connectors at the top, and we have the connectors here at the top of the drone. So this is my shuttle bay slash fusion reactor, and you slide that right in there, press it until it clicks, and you shut down the back and you're all set. So that's it. Let me show you what the bottom looks like. So these are my sensors that I use to teleport people from the surface, the planet's surface, to the spacecraft, to the Starship. And should I call these the warp core? No sense. Alright, the warp core, and this is where I launch torpedoes from. Somewhere right underneath here I launch torpedoes from, and yes, so this is good. Oh, nice for my first drone. Hopefully you can see it. This thing looks like it's oversaturated. Alright, but you should get what I'm saying. I am excited. Nice. With the DJI sticker right, logo right on the back right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Alright, but this is cool. Right, so let me put it down flat, see how it looks. Yes, so this is my Starship, my PJA Star-ship. As time progresses, I'll let you know what that means, but yeah, I'm calling this my Starship. Everybody else can call it their drone, but this is my Starship right here. It legit looks like a frog, but I like it. I like it. So one more look, and yes, like I said, I got the 64 gigabyte micro SD card to go with it, so that should give me a lot of time to make some recordings, right? So again, drone, spare batteries, connection, charge brick. You can also charge them inside here, I suppose, if you're trying to charge from the... Alright, so you plug this inside here and then this inside that. I don't understand why this is gray, this is black, this is white. And it makes much more, it will look much more better if everything was the same color, right? But I can't complain. It's my first drone. I love it, and it's time to get this set up so I can go fly. All right, thank you for watching. Right, please subscribe if you have not already. I appreciate it. I just reached my first 100 subscribers about a week ago. It was surprising and it was funny at the same time, but YouTube sent me a notification with a small trophy, right, saying congratulations on your first 100 subscriber. Right, I really appreciate you guys for subscribing, so thank you once again. And I am celebrating the small things, right? This is where it started and you are why it's here. So thank you. Hope you like this unboxing, right? And as I venture out into space, so this is a it's a discovery vessel, a research vessel that will go to different planets and research the life forms that exist there. Nice. Once again, thank you for watching. Peace.